Stuart, the in-flight manager, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all on board today. A special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and those of you joining from our onboard alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening the overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices, is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. To connect and join the BA Wi-Fi network, visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Please note video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. Seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. We are about to start our onboard service, and if you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we'll be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. In Euro Traveller, we'll be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will then be followed by our Speedboat Cafe service. Pre-purchased items will be served first, followed by onboard purchases. If you would like to purchase from a selection of Speedboat Cafe items on today's flight, please connect to the BA Wi-Fi and visit shop.ba.com to discover the items available. As part of our BA Better World initiative, you can now purchase a contribution to carbon offsets for £2.50 or to donate to our charity partnership Flying Start. Please have your preferred method of payment ready in advance, and please note that we do not accept cash as a payment. We now invite you to make yourself at home and enjoy our hospitality. If there's anything that my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know. Thank you. A very warm welcome to London Heathrow's Terminal 5, the home of British Airways. The local time here is 1 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to do so, please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as using all data services on your handheld electronic devices. If your journey ends here at Heathrow, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals. If you're connecting on to another flight from Heathrow today, please check the information screens for your departing gate number. If this has not yet been displayed, please follow the purple signs for flight connections. If you require any assistance here at London Heathrow, please speak to our ground colleagues who will be happy to help. For those customers who have ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft today, please remain seated until the aisle around you is clear, and our crew will be on hand to assist you. On behalf of all of us on board and British Airways, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you and have a very good evening all.